And this is the work of almost 10 years. And how do you define, how do you explain the crimes that were committed during Duterte's time? And of course, I don't know if you watched the proceedings yesterday, but one of the photos was shown. But I cannot explain, you cannot explain what happened in a single photograph. Michael Ceron was just one out of the thousands of people, Filipinos, who were killed. I call this series Pananagutan. Uh, Pananagutan, it's a Tagalog word, and it means accountability, but it also has another meaning, which is responsibility towards others. And I think that is the most important thing. All this time, I was always asked, how do we respond to these images of violence? Do we just look? Do we just empathize? And for me, it wasn't enough. I needed to act. We needed to act. Even our colleagues, they called us many names. I won't mention it. But we responded. It might not be the most journalists will do, but I think it was appropriate to act when the state was the one was perpetrating all these killings. And Pananagutan, later on, you keep on hearing this song being played. It was this song, it's a church song, it's a religious church song that usually during the gatherings of the families, they would sing it. And honestly, before I was just hearing it, but I didn't really grasp the words. But after that, it crept into me, and I entitled this my series as Pananagutan, and it's a testament to what happened, to the injustice that happened. But I will also focus on what civil society, journalists, NGOs, artists, it's this collaboration of how we acted. And here we are now. And ano bang gusto niyo sabihin ko? Kasi honestly, this morning was really heavy. And it was really heavy. But I would rather focus of what we've done so far. And it was most unimaginable. Despite it was these pockets of resistance that happened, and I wouldn't really imagine that Duterte would be arrested and now he's in the ICC, but it did. It was all this effort, this perseverance of everyone, and thank you for everything. And I'm so happy that we are here in this space, and I hope we focus not on our differences, but on our strengths, because we have a long battle to go, and hopefully we attain true justice in the future. So salamat po.